The Whynter BWR-1662SD Wine Refrigerator is designed to cater to both wine enthusiasts and connoisseurs with its impressive storage capacity of up to 166 standard wine bottles. This refrigerator features a powerful compressor cooling system that maintains optimal temperatures for red, white, and sparkling wines, ranging from low 40 degrees Fahrenheit to mid 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Its versatile design allows for either built-in or freestanding installation, thanks to the front ventilation, making it adaptable to various kitchen layouts. The stainless steel door with a curved handlebar and tempered double-pane gray smoked glass not only adds a touch of elegance, but also provides enhanced ultraviolet protection for your wine collection. Inside, the refrigerator boasts 16 removable wooden slide-out shelves, offering flexibility in storing and showcasing your prized bottles. Additional features such as the adjustable thermostat, energy-efficient LED lighting, and a cylinder lock with 2 keys ensure both convenience and security for your wine storage needs.